Stop everything you're doing right now. If you own a 2020 to 2025 Model Y, brace yourself. This could sting. If you've been holding out for the ultimate electric family SUV, prepare to hit that buy button today. After 7 full days and 1,247 miles behind the wheel of the 2026 Model Y Juniper, I can declare without a doubt, Tesla has finally delivered the car we've been pleading for over the past 5 years. And they nailed it so perfectly that countless current owners are fuming with upgrade envy. I'm serious. 3 separate Model Y owners DM'd me this week with the same lament. I adore my car, but I resent Tesla for tempting me to trade it in immediately. So strap in, because over the next few minutes, I'll break down the 5 game-changing fixes that elevate the Model Y from solid specs to untouchable excellence. The one lingering flaw that drives me nuts, and the jaw-dropping figure from my brutal range test proving Tesla's claims are finally real. Let's dive in with the instant wow factor, the ride quality. The old Model Y's suspension was infamous, stiff, unforgiving, jolting every pothole straight to your spine. Tesla listened, scrapped it entirely, and swapped in advanced frequency-selective dampers, the kind you find in $50,000 to $60,000 BMWs and Mercedes SUVs. I sought out the roughest terrain imaginable, shattered concrete slabs, jarring railroad crossings, and frost-damaged Michigan freeways that once made my 2023 Model Y feel like it was rebelling. The Juniper? It devours them effortlessly, gliding like silk while staying agile for spirited drives. Gone are the bone-rattling hits. After a non-stop 4-hour haul, I emerged refreshed, as if chauffeured in a Lexus. For everyday commuters, this upgrade alone justifies the cost in sheer comfort. Next up, a knockout blow, the revamped interior. The previous cabin screamed minimalist austerity, cold white plastics, unyielding surfaces, zero soul. Juniper brings maturity, plush, soft-touch finishes everywhere you touch, genuine suede accents on dash and doors, and a sweeping RGB ambient light strip that morphs the space into a cozy nighttime retreat. Then there are the seats, thicker, more ergonomic, and now with active ventilation for the first time. Stuck in 101 degrees Fahrenheit Atlanta gridlock, I felt chilled air soothing my back within 45 seconds. In hot climates, this could literally preserve relationships. Tesla cranked the quiet to 11. With laminated double-pane glass on all windows and beefed-up insulation in floors, roof, and arches, my decibel meter hit just 65 decibels at 70 miles per hour versus 72 decibels in my old model. That's the gap between yelling over wind roar and chatting casually. It's among the hushed elite under $60,000, period. Now, the divisive topic sure to ignite comments. Aesthetics. Tesla added a bold, full-width front light bar and a subtle, glowing rear seamless strip, giving it $100,000 vibes after dark. The matrix LEDs smartly dim around traffic, letting me navigate deer-filled back roads without blinding anyone. Pure sorcery. Some will mock it as a Cybertruck Hyundai mashup. Others hail it as the sharpest SUV out there. I'm team stunning, but duke it out in the comments. The real stunner? My range torture test. Tesla claims 327 miles EPA for long-range AWD, but we know their figures often flop in reality. I devised a nightmare scenario. Steady 75 miles per hour, heater cranked to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 passengers plus 100 pounds of gear, 4 degrees Celsius chill, a 19-inch winter rubber. From 100% charge, I pushed relentlessly. 300 miles at 12% left. 320 at 7%, 337 triggering turtle mode, finally limping to a supercharger at 341 miles. That's 21 miles beyond EPA in cold highway abuse. My old Y managed only 275 under the same. In 6 years of Tesla reviews, this is my first EPA beater. Charging thrills too. 10% to 80% in 24 minutes flat, netting 248 miles, quicker than most gas stops. They wisely retained the physical turn signal stalk, no Model 3's finicky buttons. Rear riders get an 8-inch touchscreen, plus the devious remote front seat slider, escalating family trips to all-out battles. Is it flawless? Nope. 3 gripes. The comically tiny rear window worsens visibility, forcing camera reliance, and they foul fast in rain or snow. No Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in 2026. Maddening for iOS devotees. Ditching ultrasonic sensors means winter salt blinds the front camera, disabling park assist. Eyeballing a 4,800-pound beast is absurd for the price. Yet, these irk only 5% of folks. The rest? Transformative gains make it whole. Serene quiet, supreme comfort, blistering speed. Performance hits 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Everyday utility, lower costs than gas rivals, and my top EV range ever. Who's it for? EV holdouts. Tesla fixed the edges. Dive in. 15,000 plus mile drivers, swap now for the comfort leap. Budget conscious? Long Range AWD starts at $48,990, dipping below $42,000 with $7,500 credit, undercutting a loaded Honda CR-V hybrid with superior performance and half the operating expenses. This isn't hype. It's the global bestseller maturing into its potential. The Juniper is Tesla's overdue mea culpa, leaving loyal owners wistfully eyeing upgrades. Your task? Comment Juniper if trading tomorrow, never if smugly staying put. Hit 100,000 likes? I'll snag another Juniper in fresh hues for a 2,000-mile winter showdown versus Kia EV9, Rivian R1S, and your picks. It's not just today's top electric SUV. It's the bar rivals chase for years. Thanks for tuning in. Ignite that comment storm. Catch you next.